In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your previous online returns using TurboTax Canada. Let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible for you. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax official site. It's the starting point for accessing all your tax-related documents. Once you're there, you'll find everything you need to file taxes and access previous returns. It's all right at your fingertips. The website is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating around should be a breeze. As you arrive on the TurboTax homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. If you're not already logged into your TurboTax account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. This is essential for accessing your personal tax information. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, TurboTax has easy prompts to help you reset it. After signing in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you'll find a variety of options and features that cater to your personal tax filing needs. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to a specific section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. Clicking on Your Tax Returns and Documents is where you'll really start to see the magic happen. This is your go-to section for finding all your previous tax returns. It's like the archives of your tax history, giving you access to view and manage the returns you filed in the past. This feature ensures that all your tax documents are organized and readily available when you need them. As you click on this section, you'll be presented with a list of your previous tax returns, organized by each filing year. It's straightforward and clear, allowing you to easily navigate through different years to find the specific return you're looking for. Whether you need these for personal records, financial planning, or anything else, this feature has got you covered. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've accessed your previous online returns in TurboTax Canada, all from the comfort of your own home. TurboTax has made it incredibly user-friendly, ensuring you can manage your tax files without any hassle. Remember to keep your login details secure and handy for future use. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident accessing your tax history on TurboTax Canada. Thanks for joining me today and happy filing.